Hi everyone! I've been using the Panasonic NN-SG676B 1100 watt microwave for 1 year now, and honestly, it's a solid mid-size option. This model has a sleek black finish that looks really sharp. It blends well with other appliances and doesn't take up too much space. It's also super easy to clean. The interior has a smooth surface, so any spills or splatters wipe right off. No scrubbing needed. Reheat button. You just press it and it automatically adjusts the time and power for perfectly reheated leftovers. No more guessing or cold spots. My kids love the popcorn button, and honestly, so do I. It pops every kernel almost perfectly and it doesn't burn the bag. With 1100 watts of power, this microwave heats food fast and evenly. Whether you're defrosting, reheating, or cooking, it handles all really well. So if you're looking for a microwave that's easy to use, powerful, and looks great in your kitchen, the Panasonic NN-SG676B is definitely worth checking out.